Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really needs. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update.
In this video, we are going to study LCM. LCM just stand for least common multiple. LCM, least common multiple. Before we are going to start LCM, we have to know the rules of LCM. First rules is we have to divide the given term 12 and 18. A smallest term is 2. A smallest term is 2, then 3, then 4. We will like that we have to move the next term. कहने का अर्थ ये है कि सबसे पहले छोटी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, फिर 3 से, फिर 4 से. जैसे ही नंबर ख़त्म होता है फिर अपने शुरुआती नंबर पे आ जाएंगे. चलिए मैं इस एग्जाम्पल के द्वारा समझाता हूँ एलसीएम कैसे बनती है. पहले 12, 18 is given question. So we will start from 2. 2 is common for each term, 12 and 18. So 12 6 ja 6 2 ja 12 and 9 2 ja 18. Given is common. Then again 2 is also common for this, but 2 is not common for this. So we will take next number 3. 3 is common for this number and this number. कहने का अर्थ ये है कि 3 इसमें भी कॉमन है, इसमें भी कॉमन. जो कॉमन टर्म आएगा वो उसी को लिया जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे 3 लगाएंगे. 3 दूनी 6, 3 तिया 9. और अगला टर्म में 2 और 3 है, तो 2 इसमें भी कॉमन नहीं है, 3 इसमें भी कॉमन नहीं है. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, मल्टीपल कर देंगे. नॉट कॉमन फॉर दिस टर्म एंड नॉट for this term. So we have to put in the remaining terms 2, 3, this 2 and 3 we will put as multiple. 2, this 2, multiple, this 2, 3, multiple, this 2, multiple, this 3. So 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. The next given example is 24 and 36. So what is the rule? We have to divide by 2. A smallest number is 2. So 2 से 2 is common for this term and this term. So 12 2 is 24 and 18 2 is 36. Then 2 is common for this number also, 2 and 2 is common for this number. So again we will put 2. 2 6 is 2 and 9 2 is 18. Then again if you put 2 here, 2 is divisible by 6 but not 9. So we will move to the next term, 3. 3 is divisible by 6 and 9 also dividable by 3. So we will 3 is common to each, 6 and 9. 3 is common to both 3, 6 and 9. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Now again we will come back to the 2. 2 is divisible by only 2 but not 3. If we go to the 3, is the only one 3 is divisible but not. For dividing at least in the LCM we need 2 terms to be divisible. 2 terms to be divisible, then we will move to the next term. So here it is not possible for 2 terms. So all the remaining terms we have to multiply it. 2, then again 2, then 3, then this 2, then this 3 equal to 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12, 2 is 24, 24 3 is 72. So our answer is 72. Answer is 72. If you look the next question, 6 3 and 8. We will put 2. 2 is divisible by 6, yes. 3, no. 8. For making the LCM, at least 2 terms I need to be divisible with the common number. 2 terms I need to be divisible by common term. 2 terms, at least 2 terms. So 6 and 8 is divisible by 2. I need 2 terms. So 3 to is 6, 3 is common, and 4 to is 8. Now next, if we put 2, 3 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 2, 1 term, so we will remove it. Now we will move to the next. 3 is a 1 term, 3 is a 1 term, and 4. At least I need 2 terms, so we will take as 3 is common. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, and 4 is not divisible, so as it is. The remaining is 1 1 4, so we have to put is in multiple. Now 2 multiple 3 multiple 1 1 is not, and the next is 4. So 3 2 is 6, and 6 4 is 24. Our final answer is 24. LCM is 24. If you look at this question, 2 is divisible by 40, yes. 48 divisible by 48, yes. 45 is not divisible by 2. So 2 terms we are getting. So we will start divisible by 2. 2. 22 is 40, comma 24 is 48, and 45 is in common. Now next, again we will divide by 2. 2 is divisible by 20, yes. 24 is divisible by 20, yes. 45 is not. So at least I need 2 terms. 2 terms I am getting. 2. 10 to is 20, 12 to is 24, 45 as common. Next 2, yeah. 5 to is 10, 6 to is 12, and 45 is common. Now look it at here. We will divide by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2, yes, 1 term. 45 is divisible by 2, no, only 1 term. So we will strike out the 2. Now we will move to the next term, third. 3 is divisible by 5, no. 3 is divisible by 6, yes. 3 is divisible by 45, yes. So 2 terms I am getting. 3, 5 as common. 3 2 is 6, and 15, 3 is 45. Now we will move to the next term. Again we will come back to the starting term. 2 is divisible by only 1 term. 5 is not divisible by 2. 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will move to the next. 3 is divisible by 5, no. 2, no. 5, yes, 1 term. 4 is not divisible by anyone, so we will move to the 5. 5 is common to everyone. 5 and 5. So be getting 2 terms. 5 1 is 5, 2 is common, and 5 3 is 15. Hereafter no moves. 1 2 3 all are different. So we have to remaining terms we will put as in multiple. 2 multiple, 2 multiple, 2 multiple, 3 multiple, 5 multiple, 2 multiple, 3 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, 122 is 240, 243 is 720. How much? 720. Our final answer is 720. Next question. 2 से 22 is 40, 13 3 is 26, और 18 2 is 36. Not 2 से 10 2 is 20, 9 2 is 18, and 30 is common. 3 2 all are different. 1 is and 2 is different, 3 is different, 4 is different, 5 also is different, 6 no, 7 not, 8 no, no 1 terms coming. Remaining all are different, so we have to put remaining is in multiple. 2 multiple, 2 multiple, 10 multiple, 13 multiple, 9. 2 multiple 2, 9, 13, 10. After multiplying we get 4, 4680. 4680 is our final answer. LCM of this question is 4680. Next question. We know the rules and regulation of an LCM. Every question having the same rules and regulations. So look at here. 2 say 18 to the 36, 24, and 32 the 30. Then again 2, 9 to the 18, 12 to the 16, 18 to the 36. 2 is common again, so 9 is not divisible. 6 to the 12 and 8, 16. 9 to the 18. Again 2 is divisible. 9. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 9. 2 is divisible only one term, so left out the 2. Then we will move to the next 3. 3 is divisible by one term, 2 term, 3 terms, so it is possible. 3 3 is a 9, 3 1 is 3, 4, 3 3 is a 9. Again 3 1 is 3, 1, 4 is not, 3 1 is 3. So remaining terms we have to put in multiple. 2 multiple 2, 2 multiple 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 2, 2, 2, 4 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 1 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 16 4 the 48, 144, 7, 1 5 6 7, 176. The final answer is 576.